Hey, so today my little brothers came over my house to get their hair dyed like Odell Beckham. Like Odell Beckham. They want blonde at the top. You know how like all the little boys are doing their hair right now? Mind you, I've never done it before. However, they trust their big sister to hook them up. And plus, this is my last off day before they go back to school. So I'm gonna show y'all some before and after pictures and pray with me. Pray. Hope it come out good. All right, I'll see y'all later.
I look awesome.
Come on. Y'all don't say hey to him. Don't say hey JoJo. Don't say nothing because he is in big trouble. It ain't funny. It is not funny. After my little brothers left, I tried to take like a nap because I got tired and he would not let me take a nap. So now we're about to go out and run some errands. You in trouble. And it's not funny. Yeah, big trouble. Anyway, I need to get up anyway, I guess. Gotta go get my eyebrows arched and do some, I guess, grocery shopping, cook tonight. I'll see y'all later. So the baby's asleep and I gotta go to the bank and I gotta get my eyebrows done. So I decided to come pick up my mama so she could just sit in the car so I won't have to get him out. I don't mind taking him into like Walmart or somewhere I'm gonna be for a long time, but I don't want to have to get in and get him out the car if I'm only gonna be in there for about 10 minutes. Like, it's too much and it's cold out here, so I'm gonna have her ride with me for a little while, then I'm gonna come drop her back off before I go to Walmart. But yeah, typically I would have took him or I would have waited till I was by myself, but that's too much to have to keep getting him in and out when I'm only gonna be in there for like 10 minutes or whatever. Yeah. Y'all, I hate vlogging while I'm driving because I don't have a dash cam. If y'all know any good dash camera holders or whatever, please comment below. Ain't nobody got time to be vlogging and driving. Anyway, my eyebrows still look a mess because the nail shop that I go to was closed today and I wouldn't dare let anybody touch my brows. I went to several people and they always fuck it up. So with that said, I'll try her again tomorrow. But I'm gonna go in the house and I got an air fryer for Christmas and I can't wait to try it. I'm gonna try to cook some chicken wings and I'm gonna let y'all know how that turned out on the air fryer. It's supposed to be a healthier option, but we finna see. Hopefully it's just, everybody says it's just like a deep fryer or whatever, but I'm finna cook these chicken wings and I'm gonna go get my son and go to Walmart to pick up these shirts they had in there. I need to get me some new shirts for work or whatever, because tomorrow he's back at work. I'll be glad when I don't have to work no more. That's the ultimate goal. I want to be an entrepreneur so I can kiss my job goodbye, honey. Anyway, I'll let y'all know how to I'll show y'all when I make the chicken wings, let y'all know how they turn out and I give a review on that. Let y'all know if the air fryer is really worth it or not.
No.
Look at all this stuff.
Shut up.
She want me to travel with all this stuff with me when I come to visit her. All this stuff.
These are necessities. Well, some of these are.
50 pounds worth of extra stuff that I'm be covering.
Like some dirty
I'm gonna be carrying for her.
I'm be cooking for y'all too.
Okay, good. Okay, we'll bring
Got some red lobster biscuits for y'all.
Okay, great.
I got some seasoning for y'all.
All right, back to these wings.
No.
Yeah, these.
Play with him. I bet you ready for him.
And these. One of them burnt. I'm gonna flip that one over. One of them are the air fried wings, and one of them are regular fried. Let's see if you can tell the difference. These are the air fried wings, and these are the regular wings, and I'm gonna let y'all know how they taste.
You scared him?
So about this air frying thing, it wasn't bad. It actually tastes better to me because I did half fry, half air fry. It actually tastes better. It was more crispier. It wasn't soggy or anything. The only thing about it is it take a long time. Like if you're in a rush, you don't want to air fry. It take a long time. Like it probably took me 30 minutes to cook that chicken when if you would have put it in deep fryer or something, it would have been about 20 minutes or so. But it wasn't that bad. You know what time it is. Finna get the little one to bed. And until next time, I'll see you guys on the next vlog.